Hello and welcome to Bay 101's How to Play tutorial series. Today, we're going to learn how to play Easy Baccarat. First, let's take a look at the card values. In Baccarat, the cards 2 through 9 are at face value. An ace is valued at 1, and tens and face cards have no value. Anytime a hand has a value over 9, 10 is subtracted from the total. This makes an 11 equal to 1, 12 equal to 2, and so forth. In this example, the ace and the face card would have a value of 1, while the 7 and the 5 add up to 12, for a value of 2. In Easy Baccarat, there are two basic bets, the player or the banker. These bets correlate with the player hand and the banker hand. The object of the game is to wager on which of the two hands, player or banker, will come closest to 9. Please note that because you are not playing against the house, there is a collection fee for each hand played or wager placed. There are also two bonus bets, which may be placed on each hand. The tie bet wins only when a player and banker hand have the same value and pays out at 8 to 1. The second bonus bet is referred to as Dragon 7 and wins only when the banker has a winning 3-card hand totaling 7. This bet pays out at 40 to 1. A player must first place a base bet in order to place a bonus bet. To begin, the dealer will deal 2 cards to each position. In this game, the player hand is dealt a 10 and a 5 for a total of 5. The banker is dealt a 6 and a 5 for a total of 1. If a player or banker is dealt cards totaling 8 or 9 on the first deal, the player or the banker stands and the hand is over with no additional cards drawn. This is referred to as a natural 8 or a natural 9. The player must hit on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and must stand on 6, 7, natural 8, and natural 9. If the player hand does not draw a third card, the same rules apply to the banker. If the player hand draws a third card, the banker's next action is determined by the banker's 2-card total and the third card drawn by the player. The higher the banker's 2-card total, the less likely the banker is to have to draw a third card. In this example, the player's third card is a face, so the player hand total is still 5. The banker must also hit and draws a 5. This brings the banker's hand to 6. The banker's 6 wins over the player's 5. Since the player bet on the player hand, he loses the bet. Here's another example. In this round, the player has been dealt a natural 8. No additional cards are drawn, and the player's 8 beats the banker's 4. This time, since the player bet on the player hand, he wins the bet. Let's try one more. The player is dealt a total of 6 and stands. The dealer must hit and is dealt a 6 for a Dragon 7. In this case, the player's bet on the banker becomes a push, as only bets placed on the Dragon 7 would win this round. Are you ready to play? Our friendly and professional casino staff here at Bay 101 are more than happy to help you with any questions you may have regarding Easy Baccarat or any of our other exciting card games. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you at Bay 101 Casino, Silicon Valley's place to play.